Welcome to Money, my friend. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's not often discussed at the dinner table. We're peeling back the curtain on 10 pivotal lessons that the wealthy impart to their offspring, lessons that may not typically feature in less affluent households. From the concept of money itself to the power of saving and investing, we're delving into the money talk that shapes the rich kids of today. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into some serious money talk. Lesson number 1: understanding the concept of money. In the world of the affluent, money isn't just a means to buy things. It's a tool, a resource to be managed, multiplied, and leveraged. Consider this: while some parents might play Monopoly to pass the time, wealthy parents use it as a practical lesson in asset accumulation and financial management. Or take the dinner table conversations in well-off households. They're not just about how the day went. They often involve discussions about the family business, investments, and market trends. This early exposure to financial matters gives children a head start in understanding the power and potential of money. It fosters a mindset that sees beyond the immediate buying power of money to its long-term possibilities. So remember, it's never too early to start learning about money. Moving on to lesson 2, the power of saving. Wealthy parents often teach their offspring the importance of setting funds aside, emphasizing that even small amounts accumulate over time. They encourage their children to save a chunk of their pocket money or earnings from a part-time job. For instance, if a child earns $20 from a weekend job, they might be urged to save $10. This instills a mindset of financial discipline early on. The habit of saving is a powerful tool for financial stability. Lesson 3: understanding the basics of investing. Wealthy parents often introduce their kids to the world of investing early on. They teach them about the stock market, showing how buying shares in a company can yield returns over time. Bonds, essentially loans to companies or the government, are another topic, as well as real estate investments, where property is purchased with the intent to generate profit. This early exposure to investment strategies plants the seed for financial growth. Investing can be a game changer when it comes to growing wealth. Lesson 4: the importance of giving. Wealth isn't just about accumulation, but also about distribution. Affluent parents often instill in their children the understanding that with wealth comes the responsibility to contribute positively to society. They teach their offspring that philanthropy isn't just about tax deductions, but about making a real difference. It's about using your resources to help others, to improve communities, to spark change. So let's not forget the other side of the coin of wealth. Remember, with great wealth comes great responsibility. Halfway there, lesson 5: the value of hard work. You see, wealthy parents understand that nothing in life comes easy. They instill in their children the belief that hard work is a necessary foundation for success. Instead of simply handing over money, they encourage their kids to earn it. For instance, they may assign chores around the house or encourage them to start small businesses, such as a lemonade stand or a car wash service. These activities not only help children understand the value of money, but also the satisfaction that comes from hard work. The sweat, the effort, the time invested, it all contributes to the joy of the reward. And this isn't just about money. It's about character building, about developing resilience and determination. It's about planting the seeds of a work ethic that will serve them all their lives. Hard work truly pays off. Moving on to lesson 6: financial independence. Picture this: wealthy families often instill the idea of earning one's own way from a young age. They might encourage their children to take up part-time jobs or start small businesses, fostering a sense of ownership and independence. This early exposure to earning and managing money nurtures an understanding of its true value, leading to wise spending and investment decisions in the future. Remember, financial independence isn't about how much you earn, but how you manage your earnings. Financial independence is freedom. Lesson 7: the art of risk-taking. Wealthy parents don't teach their children to avoid risks, but rather to embrace them wisely. They understand that in the realm of financial growth, risk is often a necessary step. They instill the concept of calculated risk, especially when it comes to investments. Evaluating potential losses, gauging probabilities, and making informed decisions are all parts of this lesson. It's not about gambling blindly, but about taking a leap of faith, backed by knowledge and understanding. Remember, no risk, no reward. Lesson 8: the importance of multiple streams of income. Wealthy parents often emphasize that relying solely on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket, a risky move. They encourage their children to diversify, to explore various avenues for earning. This could be through investments, side businesses, or even passive income sources. This not only maximizes earning potential, but also serves as a safety buffer during turbulent times. Multiple streams of income can provide a safety net. Lesson 9. The power of networking and relationships. Astute parents often emphasize the importance of building robust networks and fostering meaningful relationships. They teach their children that success is not a solo endeavor, but a collective effort. It's about meeting people, sharing ideas, and helping each other grow. It's about understanding that every person you meet could unlock doors to opportunities. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but also who you know. Your network is your net worth. Finally, Lesson 10. The importance of continuous learning. Affluent parents make sure their offspring understand that education isn't confined to the school years. They cultivate a love for knowledge and curiosity in their children, encouraging them to always ask questions, seek answers, and never stop growing intellectually. From books to podcasts, seminars to online courses, they utilize every resource to keep their minds sharp. The world is ever evolving, and so should our understanding of it. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey. And there you have it, the 10 lessons that rich parents teach their children that the poor don't. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We kicked things off by understanding the concept of money, then moved on to the power of saving. We delved into the basics of investment and highlighted the importance of giving back. We talked about the value of hard work and the concept of financial independence. We embraced the idea of risk-taking, underscored the need for multiple streams of income, and emphasized the role of networking and relationships. Last but not least, we touched on the significance of continuous learning. These lessons aren't just about money, they are about building a mindset that fosters wealth creation and financial stability. They are the stepping stones on your path to financial literacy. Now go out there, apply these lessons, and start your journey towards financial literacy and wealth creation. Until next time, my friend.